Yes, guys, I'm finally back, and we have to talk about what's happening with Bitcoin here right now because this here is the most important line that we have to watch here in the immediate short term, and I definitely gonna talk about this. But first of all, guys, please smash up the like button, make some noise for the algorithm. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And now let's dive here directly into today's content. So first of all, we also have to talk about here about this rising wedge after this big drop here to the downside. We are here in this rising wedge here for already quite a while and consolidating within it. So, but we are creating here higher lows along this line, the support line, and higher highs, which are forming then this typical bearish pattern that we are seeing here, which is a rising wedge. So you could also say that this is potentially a bear flag. So, and if that would be a bear flag, that would be really, really bad news for Bitcoin, because that would take the Bitcoin price to 19,100 if you measure it conservatively, or here all the way down, depending on where we break, to around $18,500, which would be on a macro structure still a low, a higher low, because here's the low that we had, the 17,000 low. I think that was that one. Let me see. No, actually it was all the way. So let me do this again. So all the way here at 17,600. So that would be still considered to be a higher low on the macro structure. But of course, for the imminent short-term price action for Bitcoin, this is not what we would like to see. So today is again a Fed announcement from Powell, and yeah, we are rallying here right now to the upside. We were testing already the resistance of this rising wedge or bear flag, however you want to see that, but we could not break it. We came all the way up to the resistance and got rejected for now there, but Bitcoin is still pumping here, trying to stay above $21,700. I can tell you guys, if we get through $21,800, we will most likely see a really quick jump to around $33,000. So if you want a long Bitcoin, then wait for a convincing break here on the 4-hourly chart of $21,800. That's where I would open a new long position, and I will do that most likely on a BYBIT, where you still get a bonus of $4,450, and or on BitGate $8,000. You get here in total over $20,000 in bonuses if you use here my specific links that you find in the description or in the pinned comment under this video. So definitely check this out, guys, because by the end of the month, I can tell you these bonuses are expiring, and then we have to wait for these kind of bonuses to come again for quite a while. So definitely take advantage of that. So now let's get back here quick to the Bitcoin price. So when we are looking here also on the EMA ribbons, then we can clearly see that we were testing the upper band of the EMA ribbon here, this one. Let me actually make here the color quick, a different one. So here you can see that, the upper band here. And from there we also got rejected, which is in alignment with the resistance line of this rising wedge. So the Bitcoin price has to move above so that the EMA ribbon can flip again and to move here into higher prices. If this trend continues and Bitcoin cannot manage to break here above the EMA ribbon and not stay at least within the middle band here in that section of the 4-hourly chart, then also get ready that we most likely see a rejection and a retest of here the bottom of that rising wedge or bear flag, and a potential breakdown to the downside. So personally, I will not short this because we are either close to the bottom, so or close to the reversal back to the upside, and you don't want to be stuck in a short position once we are reversing here and going massively to the upside, because the only thing that's going to happen is that you get wrecked, and that is something that we don't want. So I'm patiently waiting on the sidelines for my long opportunity here when we break above $21,800 on the 4-hourly chart with a confirmed 4-hourly candle close. But now let's get here into this chart, which is a daily chart. And here you can clearly see that Bitcoin is respecting this upward sloping support line that we are having here. So, and also yesterday or today we are actually another bounce from that. But keep in mind, the more often we test a support line or a resistance line, the more likely it is that that level is going to break. So we definitely have to move away here quite fast from this support line and not endure more tests of it, because the likelihood that we break then to the downside is heavily increasing. So that is definitely something that I don't want to see, and that's why I'm closely watching this specific trend line here, because if we lose it, you can be assured that we will drop at least close to 20,000 or even under $20,000 for the immediate short term. So I don't have to pull out the EMA ribbon, because yeah, we are clearly still under this. You see the resistance is here at $22,300 right now. So a retest might be likely here in the immediate short term, potentially all the way up here to $23,000. And like I said, when we go over 21,800, that's where I long this. So, but if I see then here again a harsh rejection, I might close my trade then in profits. Guys, that's it already for today's video. Definitely don't forget also to check out my Signals channel and also the free Telegram group. The links are also in the description. We are killing it regardless of what the market is doing in the paid group. So we are sending there 3 to 5 signals every single day, which are highly profitable. So I definitely recommend you to get in touch with my staff. The link is, like I said, in the description and in the pinned comment below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support while I was sick. I saw every single message that you have sent me, and don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.